Guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to make your own Windows 10 themes. When to change how your desktop and Windows look in Windows 10 and share that design with friends. Windows 10 lets you create your own theme with a custom desktop background, Windows border and start menu accent color. You can save the settings as a new theme file to use over and over or send to others. So firstly, start menu. Now click option for settings. Now click on personalization. Now click on background. You can select picture. Choose for picture. Also, you can browse and select on your picture. And other one, solid color. Which one? Third option, select show. Choose album for your slideshow. Browse. Choose your color. Click on done. So RGB if you want to HSP or HGB. Now click on picture. This is colors. If you want to look themes, that is. Background color. If you want to sound, mouse color, save theme. Name your theme. My first theme. Now click on save. Now you can see window image. You can apply this theme. So by this simple method, you can make your own Windows 10 themes. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.